vrees, fear, bang, scared or afraid. Bang maak or maak bang, to scare. Ek is bang. I am scared. Jy maak my bang. You scare me. Ek is bang vir slange. I'm afraid of snakes. When you want to say that you are afraid of some kind of action, it is bang om te. Ek is bang om te vlieg. I'm afraid of flying. Ek is bang om te sê wat ek dink. The English is afraid to. I am afraid to speak my mind. Vreesaanjaend. Terrifying. When somebody is very afraid, they are skuitbang. It's a word in our dictionary, in fact. Sy is skuitbang. It just means she is terrified.